Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Removal. Remove the 4 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. While supporting the battery with both hands, carefully lift the rear edge of the battery to disconnect it from the system board. Then slide the tabs on the front edge of the cutouts in the top cover and remove. Replacement. While supporting the battery with both hands, place the tabs on the front edge of the battery into the cutouts on the top cover and lower it onto its connector on the system board. Replace the 4 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.